Can you actually run a Python application on HostGator? If you're planning to deploy the Django, Flask, or another Python-based application, don't assume that any HostGator plan will work. The answer depends heavily on the hosting environment you choose. So let's break it down. Can HostGator run Python? Python applications generally need more than simple file hosting. You need appropriate Python version, dependencies, application server configuration, and a way to keep the application running. That's why a traditional shared hosting can be restrictive. Depending on the current HostGator plan and configuration, Python application support may be available through specific tools or application setups, but there can still be limitations around Python versions, packages, processes, and server configuration. So if you already have a specific Python application in mind, check the exact requirements against the hosting plan before purchasing, right? Now, with the VPS, you have much more control. You can install the Python version you need, create virtual environment, install dependencies, configure your application server, and set up a reverse proxy in HTTPS. That makes a VPS much more suitable for serious Python applications, right? Now, what about the Django or Flask? Both can be deployed to a properly configured server, but the application framework isn't the only consideration. You'll also need to think about databases, environment variables, static files, media uploads, security, backups, and application processes. That's why simply uploading your Python files isn't the same as deploying a production application. So you're not necessarily blocked from running Python on HostGator, but you need to choose the right hosting environment. For simple experimentation, supported shared hosting may be enough. For a serious Django, Flask, or other Python application, a VPS gives you the control and flexibility you'll probably need. Before buying, check HostGator's current plan documentation against your application's exact Python and deployment requirements. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more hosting tutorials and real-world